Ready to ditch the 9-to-5 and take control of your income? Welcome, freelancers, to a deep dive into how to make serious money on Toptal, a platform renowned for connecting top talent with top clients. Let's break down the key steps. First, you need to get hired. Toptal is incredibly selective. Applying involves a rigorous screening process, so make sure your skills are sharp and your portfolio showcases your very best work. Clearly define your skill set during the application process. Be honest. Once accepted, you'll gain access to projects. This is where the bidding begins. Explore project descriptions. Carefully tailor your proposals to highlight how your expertise aligns with the project requirements. Don't underestimate the value of clarity and conciseness in your bid. Landing a project is only the first step. Next, deliver exceptional results. Communicate effectively with your client and stay ahead of deadlines. Providing stellar service secures positive client feedback, and positive reviews lead to more jobs and bigger paychecks. The beauty of Toptal is its premium focus with high-paying clients and a dedication to quality. Toptal fosters a lucrative environment for skilled freelancers by mastering the application, bidding, and delivering exceptional service. You can turn your freelance dreams into a reality. Good luck and happy freelancing.